In a sneeze, millions of droplets burst outward, some racing 6 meters, others lingering seconds, turning the room into weather. Inside every bone, marrow churns out countless blood cells, a hidden factory keeping our bodies alive with fresh supplies every moment. A teaspoon of soil hosts more microbes than people on Earth, a tiny universe beneath our feet shaping ecosystems. Ancient Maya calendars tracked solar and stellar cycles with uncanny precision, revealing genius still admired today. If Earth were a basketball, the moon would be a marble meters away.